Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to archive a folder on ClickUp. Maybe you want to focus on ongoing and relevant folders at the same time not deleting any folder to maintain a record of your past projects. So today I'm going to show you how to archive a folder on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the folder that you want to archive. Once you have found the folder, tap on it, then tap on this icon on the right to open the folder. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear. Here, since you wanted to archive this folder, simply tap on this archive option. After that, you now have successfully archived a folder and click up. The folder is now removed from this list, making your workspace cleaner and more organized. There you go. If you wanted to know how to archive a folder and click up, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to archive a folder and click up, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.